What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I am your host, Mr. Gaza. Well, today, my friends, we will be working on our new car for the shop. The garage is growing in size now. There's 5 cars. And this car is a 2022 Honda Civic. Yes, Honda Civic LX, equipped with the K20 Earth Dream motor. It's a non-turbo, and it's the car that you would normally get when you buy from the factory with steelies, which is good. You can always put whatever wheels you want on the car that you have. Well, today we're going to be changing the oil on this beautiful clean car, and I will show you everything just about after we're done talking here. All right, listen, I want you guys, before I even continue, all you Honda guys, Toyota guys, show me some love on this video. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell for every new video. Well, today we'll be working with the oil change today with Castrol. Castrol is the oil that I always choose for my vehicles. It is very good. Their detergents are far superior than Mobil 1. I have used Mobil 1, not to badmouth or bash them, and they actually caused my car seals to go brittle and actually blow. But now with Castrol, they're really good. And we are going to be using our genuine Honda oil filter. Let's see if you can get this. Focus. If you can get that, this is the oil filter for the 2022 Honda Civic. Well, here we go. This is the Honda Civic 2022 Honda Civic LX, and these are the products we'll be using. It's very simple how to change the oil. All you have to do is pull the cap, which is right where I'm at, and be sure to use 0W20. The tolerance on these engines are very, very tight, so you have to use 0W20. Crack the dipstick, don't take it out. People tend to break those when they take them out or lose them. And as you can see right here, there's a killing of space all around. There's a plastic intake manifold and your ABS pump. All right. And the battery's on this side for balance. All right. So now we're going to go onto the car. We are onto the car right now, and it uses, and I can see it does use a genuine Honda filter. Thank God for that. And it uses a 17mm plug bolt. And whenever you buy the genuine filters, it usually comes with washers. Use those washers, please. When you're, say, like for right now, as you can see, it's dripping out. I pulled it. Whenever I'm tightening this down, I am going to torque it down to 30 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, this pan is all aluminum. You don't want to put mad force on it. It will strip. It will strip. Be careful. Yes, look at the size of this. That is a 2.5-inch downpipe coming from the catalytic converter, and it shows right here. Yeah, that's definitely a Honda C, the HCF2. You know what that means? This here transmission is a CVT. As far as I know, Hondas make the best CVT. You don't want to go Nissan on this. Nissan CVTs are horrible. Right. So now I am going to use the 17mm plug. I'm going to put it right here. Just let me go ahead and, apparently this washer is crushed down. Oh well, I can't get it off. I'm gonna put this on. The new washer's on there, just to let you know the new washer's on. Come on, bitch. There you go. Tighten it up. Clean it off. Get this out the way. And I am going to go get my torque wrench and I'm going to torque it down to 30. That's 30 right there. That's 30. Make sure you do it at 30 foot-pounds of torque, okay? Clean that off. Not much pressure is needed. So now we will be working with all right. So now we're going to remove the oil filter. I don't have the wrench, but this should be hand tight. I can't pull it off. All right, I have this. I don't have the one that goes around. It's easier to do this instead of being bougie. So I cracked it, and now I'm gonna. Usually I put a hole in the filter and it would just drain, but I'll just do it like this. And it seems like a lot of oil coming out there, so hold on. Come on, baby. Let me just get you off and done quick. This is the quickest oil filter change ever. I am not joking. Try a 2JZ and find out what happens. That's a 2-hour job. By the way, 2JZs have the most dirtiest oil changes ever. The dirtiest of all. So I'm just cleaning off here. And once this is done, draining out, I will be back onto here. But for now, let's go ahead and drain out this filter. And we're going to inspect it. Okay, there's one thing you have to know as well. Whenever you're putting up a new filter, you have to fill the filter. And you notice that this filter is slanted to a 70-degree. So what you do, fill that oil filter with clean oil.
Hey my friends, if you reached this far, I really do appreciate it. The growth of our channel, it really depends on you. And participation is 100% appreciated. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and keep on sharing. Gaza Performance Garage will always be here for you.
Welcome back, my friends. We filled the filter 100% to the top, and while I was screwing it on, some got off, some got off, but at least I know all the air is out of that filter. So whenever I cold start it, it will not have a dry surge through the lines, and it probably would fuck my bearings up. And I only use the 0W20 mobile full synthetic oil. All right, my friends, so being that this car has 70,000 miles for the 2022, I will be using the best of the best, which is the Chevron Techrun high mileage fuel system cleaner. And I know I have used this before. This is the best of the best. The second best is Gum Out. Gum Out is also the best. I am a firm believer of fuel treatment for the injectors. You know, additives are the best. Who has time to pull down the intake manifold to clean off the valves? Who has time to pull the heads off to pull for a direct inject engine? Not me. But as you can see, this motor is freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Honda. Reliability, right? Nice. Okay, so what I will do now is take it off the jacks, and I will start it. I have to start it to make sure all the oil goes through the system, and then I will check the oil level again. This is how you actually know the correct level in the car. It uses 4.4 quarts of oil. Just remember that. 4.4 quarts. So what I'm doing, my friends, is that I am starting it up and let it run for a good 20-30 seconds. As you can see in this car, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful indeed. In this car, it's beautiful. It reads the hood is open, 85 degrees outside, 78,000 miles, did the oil change. Okay. And I'm going to turn it off. All right, my friends, listen, I am done. I'm done. Thank God. And it was a simple oil change. I hope you find it very simple as well. I hope I kept it short enough for you. A lot of attention span is very rare these days, so I have to do videos that are very quick. But guys, I want you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you really appreciate what you've seen today. Go ahead, just show me some form of appreciation. Just hit that notification bell and also hit that subscribe button to show that you really care. And in this world that we live in these days, it's very, very seldom that you run across somebody that actually cares. And let us be the generation that proved this theory very wrong. We're in a time right now that politics has entered into a dark realm. We cannot fall into that trap, my beautiful friends. Let us be the one that make a difference. All right, follow my vibes, follow my lead. On this channel, we are nothing but 100% positive vibes. And I would like for you guys to go ahead and follow me. Follow the trend. Mr. Gaza here on the microphone. And I want to say thank you very much for your time. And as always, I'm going to say peace, love, and happiness. Mr. Gaza say thank you for watching. Bye.
Playlist needs a refresh? You're in luck. Check this out. I've got 2 brand new videos just for you. Dive in, enjoy, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the comments.